So we're gonna start making the tacos de suadero. And the first thing I'm gonna do is make the marinade for the meat. So I'm gonna juice 1 orange, the juice of a lime, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, chop 3 garlic cloves, mix it really well. It uses a kind of meat that has a considerable amount of fat, like the brisket I'm using here. You can marinate it anywhere from 15 minutes to half an hour, but if you have the chance, marinate your meat for up to 24 hours. I'm gonna start turning on my casserole over medium heat. I'm kind of massaging the marinade into it. Okay, I'm gonna rinse my hands. Now I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil. And now I'm gonna start browning my meat in batches. You know when the meat is ready to be flipped? When it has created a crust in the bottom. I'm using a slotted spoon to keep all the fat in the pan. I'm adding the rest. You can see the beauty. So now that it's browned, I'm gonna add all of the meat in here. And now I'm just gonna add water. And I just want it to barely cover the meat at 3 bay leaves. So now that it's boiling, cover, reduce the heat to medium-low. And this is gonna cook for a couple of hours. I hope you will wait here with me. I'm kidding, I'm gonna make a salsa. This pot already has water. So we're gonna use the tomatillos. I have 1.5 pounds here. We're going to use serrano, jalapeño, chiles de árbol, and I'm gonna use 3. 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna let that simmer. The ingredients are ready. We want the tomatillos to be bursting. So we do all the tomatillos. I'm gonna puree until I can still see these tomatillo seeds. Jalapeño, serrano, all my chiles de árbol. We have the garlic cloves, like 1/2 cup of the cooking liquid. Chipotle in adobo sauce, which you can get in a can, you can get at the store. Chipotles in adobo sauce are rustic, smoky, saucy, sweet. They have so much in one ingredient. This is gonna be feisty. Slice of a white onion, cilantro, coarsely chopped, and add a teaspoon of salt. And now I'm gonna puree until smooth. It only needs a taco. This is ready. And the comal needs to preheat. Love, love, love. This looks good. 3 tortillas. Meanwhile, we're building the plate. Salsa, chopped white onion, chopped cilantro. Just throw the tortillas on top. The raw onion, it's like exploding with brightness. And the salsa has so much flavor, satisfying, filling. It's food made with a lot of love.